Hi, my name is Russ and I'm with GM Instrument Cluster. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the instrument cluster out of a 2000 Buick Century. Basically the first step, you're going to make sure you want to apply the emergency brake. Make sure the car doesn't roll anywhere. We're going to be pulling it in and out of park a couple of times. First thing you're going to start is going to remove this panel here. There's just some clips that hold that on. Some slight pressure, release those. It twists out. Clip looks like that. One on the opposite side, just the same. Once we get those panels removed, we're going to go ahead and remove the lower portion of this valance. A couple tools that you may need: a panel removing tool and a 7mm socket. Some slight pressure on these. We'll pull these clips out. That's what the clip's going to look like. They just pull right out. Once that's out of the way, just let that go ahead and drop down. Now this portion needs to come off. There is a 7mm screw located right here. Now once that screw is removed, there's some clips similar to those that require some pressure to pull out. This piece just pulls on each side. Should pop out like that. Set that to the side. Now moving around to the other side. Alright, now it's easiest if you just lower the glove box down. It does not need to come out, but just lower it down. This trim panel will need to be removed. There is a screw holding it on, located right down here on the outside here. Once that screw is removed, again, just some slight pressure should pull that panel off. Set it out of the way. Now while we're sitting here, this piece will be coming off in a moment. This 7mm screw right here does need to be removed. Alright, we've got that out of the way. There's one more thing we got to get out of the way. This center bezel here that surrounds the AC unit needs to be removed. There's a couple of screws mounted on the bottom of there. Again, 7mm. We'll go ahead and remove those. Once those have been removed, the top again has those pressure clips. We'll just go ahead and pull on those. Once that's removed, just go ahead and lower that down. Now we'll move back around to the other side. Alright, this portion now, this bezel that surrounds the cluster and goes across the entire dash will need to be removed. What you want to do is keep your foot on the brake, turn the ignition to the on position, tilt the steering wheel all the way down, and then you're going to want to pull the gear selector down into first gear. Once that's done, keeping your foot on the brake this whole time, you're going to want to apply some slight pressure. These clips should pop off. Removing this entire bezel. Once all the clips are released, simply twist it forward and it should slide out. Pull that out and move it to the side. Now at this point, we've pretty well got the cluster, everything, all obstructions out of the way. We're going to remove 4 7mm screws around the edges. Go ahead and pull those out. And one more.